In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from your Wise account directly to a GCash wallet in the Philippines. It's simple, quick, and transparent. Before we dive in, make sure you already have a Wise account. If you don't, no worries. Signing up is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes online. Once you have your Wise account set up and ready to go, the next thing you need is the recipient's full name and the mobile number linked to their GCash wallet. These are crucial details that will ensure your money reaches the intended person quickly and without any hiccups. Now, let's get started. Open up the Wise app or website and choose the option to send money. Here, you'll want to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure you select the Philippine peso as the receiving currency. Wise will display all the fees and the current exchange rate right away, so you know exactly how much the recipient will get and what it will cost you, keeping the process transparent. The next step is to choose the delivery method for your transfer. For this, you'll want to select mobile wallet, and then you'll see GCash listed as an option. Choosing GCash is important as it ensures that the money is correctly routed to the recipient's GCash wallet, especially tailored for users in the Philippines. Once that's set, you'll need to enter the recipient's details very carefully. Type in their full legal name and the exact mobile number that's connected to their GCash account. It's always a good idea to double check these details to prevent any delays or possible errors in the transfer. With all the details filled in, you'll be taken to the summary page. This is where you'll review everything one last time. Make sure to confirm all the transfer details and check the fees once again. Then, when you're ready, go ahead and hit send. After you've sent the money, Wise will notify you once your funds have successfully reached the recipient's GCash wallet. And there you have it. You've just learned how to send money from Wise to GCash in a matter of minutes. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.